What is up, everybody? How's it going? How you doing? What you've been up to? Comment down below and let me know. So, if you didn't hear, if you don't watch, if you live under a rock, whatever you want to say it, MotoGP, sorry, not MotoGP, MXGP, Red Bull KTM, Tony Cairoli, after this season, is retiring, which is incredible considering he's been racing since 2004 to 2021, so that's what, 14 years, 17 years, whatever it is, I don't know, math and things, I don't care. Raced for Yamaha from 2004 to 2009, and had since raced four KTM from 2010 to present. 9-time champion, 171 total wins, 54 in MX2, 75 in MX1, and 49 in MXGP. Wow. I mean, that's a really, really, really good career. For that long, that longevity, that many race wins. I mean, he's 35. To be racing against, the best of the best in the world in MXGP and still being competitive and still being, contender for championships and points and overalls, whatever. Super, super good for him. Especially for Red Bull, they've got three of the best riders ever, or three of the best riders right now, two of the best ever with Hurlings and him, but 9 championships in 17 years or whatever. Again, the math, I don't care. It's awesome. Comment down below, though. Do you think he was a good rider? Are you a fan of Tony Cairoli? Do you watch MXGP? Whatever it is, I think it's really cool because, I mean, that's a long career and a successful career, so good job for you, man. See you later. Peace.